Hey guys, welcome to our channel. In today's video, we'll learn how to fix Capcut Playback lag in Capcut PC. So if you're having issues when you play the playback in here or the preview of your edited video, so if this one is lagging, then you're onto the right guide. So for you to be able to fix this, there are certain settings in here that might help you go ahead and fix the issue with the lagging for this one. So what you need to do is you'll just need to go ahead here onto the preview option or the preview display. So here onto the upper part, there is a hamburger option in here or icon onto its upper right. We need to click onto that and there are different options to choose from. So we have the color oscilloscope, preview quality, and expert still frame. So we need to hover onto the preview quality in here and we could see two options. So we're currently onto the quality priority, which prioritize screen resolution. So we could prioritize playback smoothness for this to avoid lagging. So we're going to choose the performance priority for this one. So as you can see, we have successfully chosen that. And if we play onto this one, this should go ahead and fix the issue with the CapCut playback lag in your CapCut PC. And that is just basically it onto how to fix that. And if you think this has been helpful, don't forget to hit the like, subscribe, and we'll see you on to our next video.